County in northwestern Indiana until 4:15 p.m. At 4:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Chesterton, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and ping-pong ball-sized hail. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. And vehicles
Make
will
some room for Grace.
Indiana Interstate 94 between mile markers 25 and 32. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.